Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Destiny if this is your first time here, and today you guys, we did a brow hack and I had so much fun doing this brow hack. I hope it's very informative for you guys. So if you want to see how I slay these brows, please stay tuned for my video. Don't forget to hit subscribe because we are trying to get more subscribers. So if you like what you see, hit subscribe. And if you want to be notified when I upload a video, because I do upload every single week, hit that notification bell. So let's jump into this slay. Alright you guys, so we're jumping right into this first hack. What you're going to need for this one is this quick fix. And I want to say this is by Clairol or Nice and Easy. It's one of these no gray coverage pens. So yeah, you're going to need this. And I do have this in the shade brown. You're going to need that, and you're also going to need a spoolie, preferably one that you don't use often just because it is going to get a little dirty. So this first hack is going to be for a natural looking brow, and it's going to be like a brow tint. Now I discovered this, I don't know how, what made me want to do it, but I was in Target one day and I was like, you know what, I'm tired of doing my brows all the time. I did want to get them tinted, so I was like, let me go a different route because as you guys know, we're quarantined. So we can't really go to the salons right now. Like the salons where I'm at, they just shut back down. As you guys know, I live in California. So California is one of the red states right now, so everything is just shut right back down. So there's no getting your eyebrows done, there's no nails, there's no nothing. So let me stop rambling, let's get right into it. So it already comes with this little spoolie, as you guys can see. And so what you're going to do is get your other spoolie. You're going to get the one, like I said, a used one that you don't use very often, that you don't care about. And you want to do a upward motion. Let me zoom you guys in so you guys can really see. Alright, right there. So yeah, you want to do an upward motion just like this. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. And you're going to comb them upwards because once we start putting the product on, it's going to just spread easily. Alright, so now that we got that done, I like to take this part right here, this spoolie. Now it does come with this comb part, but you guys, that's for like your hair. So since we're doing the brows, we're going to do this. So you just want to take it and dip off a little bit of the excess. And then you're just going to start doing light strokes. So like I said, this is the tinted brow hack that I discovered. And yeah, you can just go straight like this. And as you guys can see, did I steer you guys wrong? No, I'm never going to steer you guys wrong. So yeah, so you just want to do light strokes. And look at that, you guys, it's already coming together. So, and this was very affordable. I will have the link, the product, on the description box. I'll have the link for you guys so you can go if you want to purchase this stuff. Now like I said, I did get mine at Target, but they do sell it like in Walmart. I know they sell it on Amazon. So wherever is closer to you to get yours, just go wherever. And like I said, y'all, this is super affordable. So I like to do that and just put a little layer on. Then I'm going to take my spoolie and I'm just going to go through, and it's just going to spread the product. What you guys thinking? So like I said, this isn't going to be sculpted. Now you can change the game and throw in some concealer, and then that'd be an even more step. But this is for the people who just want a quick 5-minute brow, but you still want to look like you have brows on, but little to no effort. Alright, so let's move to this brow. And I'm going to do the same thing. But I am going to dip it back in here just to get a little more product on the brush. And then we're going to do the same thing that we did, just very, very light strokes. Because you do not want to use too much at one time. You kind of want to build it up, or else you're going to run into the problem where it's just too saturated. And like I said, you guys, this takes like 5 minutes. Like, it's so easy. And like I said, super affordable. So now that we're done with that part, let's take our spoolie that we just used and we're going to start dragging the product through. So yeah, this is something that is for the woman who or man who doesn't have time. You just want to get out the door and still have on brows looking cute and just ready to hit the streets. So yeah. So let me know in the comments what you guys think about these hacks that I'm showing you today. Let me know if you want to continue to have content like this. I do not mind making content for you guys. Just let me know so I can kind of fine-tune my content for you guys to see what really works. So yeah, you kind of just want to drag it through just so you have a nice looking natural brow. So what are you guys thinking? I think it looks so natural, and it's definitely, like I said, very affordable, of course. So alright, I think we're done. Yes, let me zoom you guys out so you can see. Yes, brows. I love them. So we're going to jump into the next hack. And first I'm going to wipe off these brows. I'm going to use my simple wipes. These are my favorite wipes, you guys. I get these from Target. I usually get the 2-pack, and yeah, it runs me about $8.99 at Target, but like I said, you get 2 packs of these for $8.99. Actually, I'm lying. These are the white ones with the micellar water, so they might be a little more pricey, but either way, super affordable. So let's just wipe this off. And we're going to jump into the second hack. Alright, you guys, so let's jump right into the second hack, and what you're going to need is a eyebrow pencil. This one I got from Walgreens. I think it's that, oh, it's Wet n Wild. I got it from Walgreens. Very affordable. It was like $1.99 for the eyebrow pencil. You're going to need concealer. So whatever concealer you decide to use, that's what you're going to need. And you're also going to need a spoolie. Oh, my spoolie fell. You're going to need a spoolie, another one that you don't really care for because it is going to get a little messy. And we're going to use some Got to Be glued. I know, what the fuck are we doing, right? Got to be, but I'm going to show you guys. It works wonders. So let's jump right into it. And hold on, because I got to pick up my spoolie that fell real quick. Okay. So yeah, I'm going to be using the Sigma E80 spoolie. This one is starting to become a favorite of mine. I just think it works so good. And like we did in the last hack, we're going to comb our brows upward. And I am going to zoom you guys in again so you guys can see the full effects. So yeah, you want to comb your brows in an upward motion. And combing your brows upward just gives you, it just gives you a just easier to work with, I think, in my opinion. So let me kind of pull you guys up. Okay. So I'm going to be taking my brow pencil. This one is my favorite brow pencil, you guys, because it goes on so well. It's like a thick consistency. And I'm just going to start carving these eyebrows out. And I always like to do the tail end like this, like so. And then we're going to do the same thing. So I always carve them out first and then I start shading them. So I'm kind of following my natural line, just making them a little bit thicker. And then I like to get to the front and I kind of go like that. And that's when I start filling them in. So I'm going to take my Sigma E80 brush and I'm just going to start raking the product through. Like so. And then I like to go in an upward motion again, just to kind of make sure all the product is blending. Okay. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Can you guys hear those birds chirping? I'm like right next to my window and they just sound so pretty. They be on my roof, you guys. Cause where I live, like the roof is like the Spanish style roof. So if you guys know what that looks like, it's like the roof where like it has like the look it up, it's Spanish style. It has like the little tiles and they kind of just overlap each other. So the birds love to just sit in there. They got a whole nest, you guys. Alright, so now that we're done with that, I'm going to take my spoolie again and blend this just like a blending motion. So I'm going to darken this side up just a little bit. Okay, now that we got that, so as you guys can see, the brows is looking cute right now. And I don't know what it is about this pencil, but I've been using this pencil for years and I don't care like what product I get this, because I have some high-end brow products, but you guys, that one is probably my holy grail one, and it just is so affordable and it works so good. So I'm just going to wipe off any of this excess, and I'm also going to take the wipe and kind of just wipe around just to clean up those harsh lines. Alright, so here's the part that we're gonna get into, you guys. This is the part y'all been waiting for. So you're gonna take some Got To Be, and you're gonna take a spoolie brush just like this. This one is my Sonia Kashuk, Sonia Kashuk brush that I got at Target. And I like to take my Got To Be, and I'm just gonna squirt a little bit up like this. And I like to take this and put just a little bit to start with on the brush. And then you guys, wait for it. This is where the magic is going to happen. So you just want to take this and kind of go in an upward motion, putting this Got To Be all over your brow hairs. Now, I can't speak for everybody, but I can definitely say this does not affect my brow in any way. I have never lost any brow hairs from using this. And it just, to me, my skin is fine with it. Like, it doesn't affect my skin in any way. So if you are very sensitive, I would tell you, please use at your own risk, because I am no professional and this may not work for everybody, but I'm just showing you what works for me. So yeah, you just want to comb your hair upwards, and this is going to give you a very sculpted brow, kind of like a lamination brow, which is very neat looking. So I like to do that, and as you guys can see, bam, yes, we are serving brow realness. So we're going to do the other side, and I'm going to take a little bit just like I did with that brow, and I'm going to do the same thing on this side. And you just want to blend as you're combing the Got To Be through it. And you guys, this stuff blends so well, and it just has your brows looking like Slade all day. So now this is the part where I like to take the concealer, and I'm just going to carve out my brows. I'm going to be taking my Fenty concealer in the shade 370. If you guys can see that. Yep, we're in the shade 370. And I'm going to be taking my concealer brush. This is just like a flat brush that I use. And I'm going to take a little bit of this Fenty concealer, and I'm going to put this on, and I'm going to start carving out my brows. And this is really going to sculpt them out and make them look even more like Slade. So I'm going to do this. Like, you guys, when I started doing this, it was a whole game changer. Because even though I haven't been doing as much makeup, because I do wear a mask when I go out, so I don't want to do a full face, but I always got to make sure my brows are slayed and laid. So I started doing this hack, and it's just changed my whole entire brow game. So now I'm going to be taking a little bit of this and going underneath as well. just to sculpt it out even more. Let me know in the comments section what you guys think about these hacks today. Please give me a thumbs up. That way I can know that you guys like these videos and I can continue to give you some bomb content. Because I'm all about giving you guys the content that you want to see. I just need your feedback. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed. I am trying to get to at least 100 subscribers. So please help me out and subscribe to my channel. Tell all your friends, tell your boo, tell your sister, tell your cousin. Please subscribe to my channel. That way I can keep these videos coming, and yeah. So let's continue to go in and just sculpt out the brows. So what are you guys thinking? Oh my gosh, I love this. Alright, so I think they look real good. I'm just going to blend this out. Just to clean it up a little bit. Alright, so we are done with the brows, and I love both of these brows. Like the way I showed you guys, both these hacks work amazing. So you can do this second hack if you are looking for a more sculpted brow, if you are going out somewhere, and the first hack can be if you just want to go to the store and you're just trying to have a quick, you know, tinted brow. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe down below, hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video, and thank you for watching.